Welcome into the era of AI. Hello there and welcome. In this lecture, I will introduce you to Leonardo AI. So without further ado, let's get right into it. What exactly is Leonardo AI? Leonardo AI is pretty much similar to Midjourney. It's a website, you go to it, leonardo.ai, and then you click on Launch App so that you can basically access the Leonardo AI app on the browser. It is a pretty simple and straightforward model. If you're using a free plan, it allows you to generate as much as 7 to 8 images per day, and it's quite good to go and experiment with Leonardo AI. Now, while we're not going to be basically diving very deep into Leonardo AI and how it can be used, but I'm definitely going to be showing you how you can use the image generation feature inside of Leonardo AI to generate some interesting AI art. So here, if I were to click on image generation, it's going to take us to the image generator inside of Leonardo AI, and we can basically generate images. So I was just working on a movie that I created. It's an AI movie, and I created some art, and all of that was using AI. And as you can see right here, all of this art was basically some AI art that I created, and I have used it to create an AI movie, right? So imagine creating an AI movie and how fun that would be. And so as you can see right here, we got this tool. It's pretty good. Here you can control the aspect ratio of your image. So if you want your image to be circular, be a square, you can choose a 1:1 resolution. You can also choose any different resolution from here. You can choose the transparency option. If you have the Pro plan, you can use Alchemy, which enables you to generate images using any specific size resolution with the same quality. And here I'm using photoreal, but if I deactivate photoreal, here you have access to a lot of models that you can utilize. And most of these models here are really great models that can generate very good designs. So for example, if I switch to Leonardo Kino XL, if I want to generate an image, I have a prompt here. I just have to click here, and you need to make sure that you set this up to the number of images you want to generate at one time. Here I'm setting this up to be 4. You can set it up to be less. And as you can see, it lessens the amount of tokens that you use. So if you're only generating one image, you will consume about 40% less tokens in general. And I'm going to just get it back to 4. Here, it's a hacker restoring order. Now, I'm not saying to say the hacker. I'm going to say a design of a hacker restoring order. And at the end, I'm going to say cyberpunk design. And I could also add some monochrome, for example, and I can hit enter. And now it's going to generate anything for me. And I can also utilize these filters or these particular elements here about the photo if you're interested in it. And it can really generate pretty good images. Now there is another alternative to DALL-E 3, and that is Microsoft Copilot, which, by the way, also uses DALL-E 3. It's just an alternative to ChatGPT if in case you're encountering some issues with ChatGPT. And we can take the same prompt right here, and we can go back to Microsoft Copilot, which will only require that you have a Microsoft Outlook account, and you'll be able to use Microsoft Copilot to generate images as well. So I'm actually going to say generate, and I'm going to place that a design of a hacker, And so right now it's going to start working on it. Copilot is working on it, and I just have to wait. And here, this is the design of the hacker using Leonardo. As you can see, this is a pretty good design, and you can see that it looks pretty good. It's cyberpunk, and you can change this however you like. You say design of a hacker, I can remove this, and I can say in bio or with in the dark, wearing a jacket with some luminescent or with some lights, with some let's just say red, green, blue lights. And now if I hit enter, it's going to change the entire image. It's going to make it entirely different. And I can go back to Copilot as well. Now it's asking me to verify that I'm human. So I'm going to do that. And it's going to start generating an image. It can generate the image as well. So it will also give us some images that we can consider. You have to make sure that you're logged into Copilot before you can get a image generated. So right now it's working on it. It's also powered by DALL-E 3, which is the same model that OpenAI or ChatGPT is using. DALL-E 3 was created by OpenAI, so this company is using it, and they must be paying OpenAI for it. And here we have our hacker, and you can use this on a t-shirt design. So if someone is interested, if a hacker is interested to get a design like this, for example, on a t-shirt, well, you can create this design and they can put this on their t-shirt, and this looks really amazing. All right, so hopefully you've enjoyed this particular video here. Let's go to check the Copilot version of the design, and you can see that the Copilot version is even crazier. It's really amazing as well. And you can even edit it, right? So by using these filters or these styles. So if you want it to become a pixel art, well, you can just choose pixel art in this case, and what's going to happen is it's going to regenerate your design of a hacker in pixel art. All right, and that's pretty cool. So I hope that you've enjoyed that. Now, Leonardo is a pretty complex software, just like Midjourney, but I just explained to you the necessary interface just so that you can understand what you can get from it and how you can get from it the amount or the necessary information. Because if you want to master these tools, it took me quite a very long time to master Leonardo, to master Midjourney, to master ChatGPT, and trust me, that's not easy. All right, so it's quite difficult. Now, this is a pretty good design. I would bet a lot of hackers would love to have this as a t-shirt design or as a design on a hat. But pretty much you can see that you can bring these elements to life. You can create these types of elements and bring them to life. And it's really amazing. And if you just want to download this, you can just click download and it will download this for you. You can also download any image that you like from this tool here, Leonardo, by clicking download the image. And you can do a lot more stuff as well. Now, I'll let you explore them. And that's it for these videos. I'll see you in the next video, in which I'm going to introduce you to the niches that we're going to, or the niche that we're going to focus on for the most part, the niche that we're going to use to create designs for, and that we're going to help you as well on teach you the basics of how you can publish this. We're going to take one platform as an example. It's called Redbubble, and I'm going to show you how you can start posting these designs on that platform. Particularly, there are multiple other platforms as well where you can place your designs. But we're going to take Redbubble because it's one of the most famous and the easiest one to use and to get the results. And hopefully that you've enjoyed this video so far. Stay tuned for I'll see you in the next